Hi, now we are going to make modeling chocolate to make different images. I'm going to make Ganesha for the Ganesh Chaturthi with this modeling chocolate. For that we need the material is I'm using dark chocolate. This is half a kg per half a kg per. Then the recipe is for 1 kg. It is 200 grams of corn syrup. I'm using the Purex corn syrup. Then you'll be needing cling wrap, and of course you need the weighing machine. So first I'm going to heat the chocolate, break the chocolate into small pieces and heat it for at least 1 minute and can come back. Then I'm going to weigh the corn syrup, that is 200 grams for 1 kg. Depending on the humidity and depending on the application, you can increase or decrease the corn syrup, because the more corn syrup you have, the more softer the paste will be. I'll be back. Weigh the corn syrup. You can say this is at 0. Okay. So I'm going to do 200 grams for 1 kg of chocolate. This is already 269. Okay. Just remove it a little bit. $210 is also okay. $420 is what I usually do for 2 kgs. So I can put around 200. This is 198. Yeah, 210 is just fine. So this also has to be heated up. Now I put it at 208. You can see. So with this spoon, it's going to be 210. Okay. This is 210 actually, because there is little in this, little in this. Okay. So 27, this will be 210. So this also has to be heated up, because both the chocolate and the corn syrup should be at almost similar temperatures. So I'm going to get the chocolate out and bring it to room temperature, as it is very cold here. So it's going to come to room temperature immediately. I'm just going to heat this up a little. If you are using Caro syrup, it is very light, so you can use more of it. So just mix it till there are no lumps left. If there are little lumps, you can always put it back in the microwave. You can also do the double boiling method. Yeah. This needs another 30 seconds in the oven. So I'll just put it and bring it back. Then we'll finish the modeling. The corn syrup is getting heated for 20 seconds. That's all. So this is done. I'll just get the spatula for 15 seconds. That's it. Okay. I'm just going to pour the chocolate in this. Okay, it's almost done. We've removed everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly mix it with the spatula. Don't overwork it. So lightly mix. See, it's becoming hard, thicker. Just lightly mix. So you can see it's coming off from the bowl very clearly. If you over mix it, the oils are going to come off. Right, this is almost done. You can look for the same end result. The shine won't be there. So when the shine is not there and it becomes dull, then it is done. You can see it's done. Yeah. Okay. This has become thick and done. No ends. So I'm just making a big book kind of thing. Yeah. Again, you can see it has become thick. Yeah. It's done. Just remove it. So it is looking smooth. Yeah, this should do. This is for modeling, so I'm not putting any butter or anything on it. So I'll just wrap it up. I'm sealing the edges first. Okay. Right. So I'm going to wrap it completely. Okay. The recipe and everything will be updated. Yeah, this concludes the modeling chocolate class.